Mystery Guitar Man, I know your video's old, but long story short, I've been busy, so I haven't had a chance to check out videos. I'm spending like 4 hours right now catching up on all of them, just so I can watch them all. I get your shirt and everything. Well, I don't have your shirt, but I'm gonna get your shirt because I do like you a lot, and I have Dave Days and blah blah blah, etc. etc. But anyways, my first car. Long story short, I got my license the day I turned 16, and my grandma said, okay, we're going to go buy you a car. So we went to Toyota, at a place called John Lancaster, and they had a crap ton of cars there, like at least 300 cars, and my grandma said, pick one under 10,000. I was like, okay. I ended up paying for it, but still. So I found one, and it was like $6,000. It was a 2001 Toyota Corolla, and that was 4 years ago, so that was a pretty good car for me. So I still have it. It still runs great. But as I was taking it off the lot, my grandma said, you're not leaving until I get insurance. So on the spot, she called and got insurance on it. And then we went to Target, which is like 2 blocks away. So from John Lancaster to 2 blocks away to Target, I got T-boned. And my back driver's side door imploded to the point where there was this much of a gap at the top, and it got really close to being me imploded instead of my back door. So yeah, that's my first car video. I will hopefully get a video response from you. Probably not because you're so busy. See you later.